Tin, symbol SN and atomic number 50, is a soft silvery white material known for its malleability, resistance to corrosion, and a low melting point of 232 degrees Celsius. This post-transition metal is ideal for soldering because of its low melting point, making it a key material in electronics. In addition, tin has a protective oxide layer known as tin oxide, which prevents the metal from oxidizing in the air, ensuring its durability in various applications. Tin's corrosion-resistant properties also make it a key material in food packaging, commonly seen in tin-plated steel cans. Tin is not just limited to its pure form. Its compounds are crucial in advanced technologies. Indium tin oxide, or ITO for example, is a transparent electrically conductive film used in touchscreens, flat panel displays, and solar panels. Other tin compounds such as tin dioxide and tin fluoride find applications in gas sensors, toothpaste, and more. Each compound offers unique properties that make tin indispensable in various industries. Stanford Advanced Materials provides a wide range of high-purity tin products, from metal and powder to evaporation materials and spotter targets, tailored for your specific needs. Explore the world of tin and its versatile applications by visiting our website at www.sammaterials.com. Thank you for watching.